Hey, good morning. It's Brian Kruger with Coldwell Banker Premier in Las Vegas. Hope everyone's having a great day. Wanted to update you all on a couple key things that are happening here in Las Vegas. One with CityCenter, the mega project downtown, announced yesterday. Actually, letters were sent out to homeowners on Saturday and Monday that they are going to be reducing prices by 30% across the board. So I believe that's a very good strategic move on their behalf in light of what's happened in the condo market and how tough the prices have come down in the last couple years. And so they're going to get ready for closings here in the coming months. Mandarin Oriental will start closings in January. The Twin Towers called Veer will start closings in February. And then we're going to have the condo hotel Vidara will start closings in March. So they've got a lot of open escrows, so I know this will help them get those escrows closed, and that will be a very positive step in the right direction for getting the condo market back on track here in Las Vegas. Newport Lofts, which I've mentioned before as well, the condo auction that was held, back at the end of August, the closings have started. I've got some initial intelligence on that with about 10 closings that just happened in the last 3 weeks or so. The average price is at $233,000. Average square footage is about $1,650, meaning the average price per foot is about $140 per foot. So about a little less than half of what replacement cost is, but at least we're getting some momentum there and seeing some closings, which we haven't seen for quite some time. So all positive things in terms of, we know we're bouncing along the bottom, but it's nice to see that we're getting some traction finally, and we're seeing people come in and buy these condominium residences. Finally, we've also been giving you some updates on the Corus portfolio. It was announced yesterday that Starwood Capital is the winner of the portfolio. They've got a 40% stake. The FDIC's got a 60% stake. So now there's going to be a big transition going on as these, basically they purchased a large non-performing note package. From the numbers we see, the package was about $4.5 billion, and it appears was purchased for around $1.4 billion because Starwood Capital put in, I believe, $550 million to get that, and that was 40%, the other 60% being paid for by the FDIC. So a lot of intriguing things occurring in this market. We've been telling you about this for the last 60 days or so. Now we're finally starting to see the results of all the speculation, etc., with the CityCenter prices being reduced, with Newport Lofts auction closings now occurring, and we're setting a bar for really going forward. And it's setting the mark to market in the condominium market here in Las Vegas. And now with the Corus assets being purchased, now we're going to start to see those projects. It'll be interesting to see who ends up with those projects, whether Starwood Capital keeps them, whether they negotiate with the current developer, or a third party comes in to take over that asset. So we'll certainly keep you up to date. If you want to talk Las Vegas real estate, you can always email me at info@cbprds.com. And remember, always bet on Vegas.